we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Generally speaking, it isn't a good idea to mix new and old RAM. Sometimes a motherboard can make it all operate at the specifications of lowest performing module, or sometimes lower than that even, but then you are wasting money on the purchase of the higher performing memory.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.